That's up there with what we call painful offshore sailing. There's actually not much race left, but there's a lot's going to happen.
Dreaming about a good night and good, nice bed. Eating some fresh food, something fresh like fruits, and I like meat too.
My family. Just simply my family there, standing on the dock.
To win the leg.
Nothing after that.
No, not yet. After that we'll see. But right now I'm only thinking of that.
A happy boss. He said he was looking forward to winning, so I was saying I'm looking forward to a happy boss. By the wrap here, they're going a little bit quicker. They've got a bit more wind, so it's going to be close with them when they cross for sure. But it's the finishes tomorrow, so we're in the right dogfight, as you call it, Kevin.
Non, je sais pas ce que t'en penses, mais moi je vais pas le laisser.
Malaysia 13 nœuds 4, Holcim 12 nœuds 6, Biotherm 19 10. On est revenu à moins de 21 000. Premier.
You're running after us, so it's a nice. We are surfing the front, straight to Cape Town. The sea state is a little bit bumpy. It's my dog. It's Chiffon.
Muesli with strawberry.
You enjoy the view?
Yeah, it's great.
But now we're on the last tack up to Cape Town. So now it will be a speed and maneuver race.
How are the 27 last miles looking, Will?
Very light.
I hope we get some wind before the other. Everybody is stopped now. We are maybe not in the worst position. We will see. It's never finished before the finish.
I can smell the victory coming.
Yeah, okay, that's. Well, at least you can smell it. I smell pizza.
It will be a victory anyway. That's why it smells victory.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone's a winner, right?
Yes.
We are 26 miles far from the line, finish line. Could be 1 hour if the wind is good.
Too early. It's still 12 miles from the finish. They seem excited. We're not yet.
C'est bon? Huge work, but so happy for the team. You know, the Holcim-PRB team was not able to enjoy the win in Mindelo. So I'm very happy for them to be able to give them the win here in Cape Town, and we'll be able to party with them. I'm so happy to be back here. I've been there twice.